Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream. Today we're using Solvent GPT and its predictive functionality as well as its chart recognition to scalp the US 500, gold, as well as any other handpicked stocks that we can find using the GPT. So let's get straight into it. The market's been open for about an hour now. We can see there's a huge leg up here. Yeah, and zoom out, and this is a 15-minute chart. Let's granulate it down a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna ask the GPT to show us a chart of the US 500 in a 5-minute time frame. Does look does look like a sell right now, but order blocks say otherwise. Yeah, the order blocks are a very good signal that we here in the office use quite often and trust a lot. So intuitively, I'm going with a short buy here. As in, we will place a short-term trade here, maybe about 20 minutes or so. Yeah, so it does say buy. The GPT does recommend us to buy at 5,690. We've passed that level now, and first target at 5,710. So it does recommend, exactly what I said, a short-term buy. Stop loss down here. Okay, let's ask for a rating as to how likely this is to be a successful trade. 7, approximately a 7. That's great. That is great news. Okay. Yeah, let's go for it.
Looking to cheat on your bed? Find the best time to get away with flexible date search.
Okay, so we're gonna buy quickly. We're gonna go just leverage our capital here. Let's have a stop loss of 5,675. And a take profit of 5,710. Quick scalp. And we're in. As we can see from the order blocks as well, these regions here should look, our take profit is just below this first order block here, so I think that'll be a pretty neat little scalp that we can get there. So Al Spicer has said the Great British Pound and CHF. Okay. XRP USD. Okay, we'll have a look at those. Let's see. Swiss franc here. Let's add that to the chart. Okay. Is that where you're trading, Allspicer? What exactly have you placed? What are you looking at right now? What's your sort of speculation? XRP USD, let's see. Okay. Got a comment from Joe. Joe said, let's go. Yes, let's go. Means 7 out of 10. That's a pretty confident trade that we got there. So leveraging a lot of capital here. Let's see, the upside is 7 grand. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so I've asked it, with the updated market data that we now have, what is the likelihood of this trade being successful from 1 to 10? Okay, it's still giving us the same trade. I'm gonna ask it the likelihood. About a 6. Okay. And we probably won't reach so high. Six. Got it at 5, 7, 10. 5705 for a rating of. Okay, so it's coming down to take profit, but at least, be a little bit more confident going into it. Again, this is only a quick scalp, so we'll keep monitoring that. Allspicer said target for XRP USD is 2.75 and $3. 2.75 and $3. Oh, okay. That is a very optimistic outlook. What makes you think XRP USD will go to 2.75 and then pound to franc target 1.1475? 1.1475. Okay. Maybe I'll join you in this trade. Show me a chart of XRP. No. There we go. Change the time frame. Let's do 15 minutes. Okay. give me entry and exit points for this chart. So we just placed a trade for the US 500, leveraged like half the account. So we up, yeah. We've got to pump the US 500. Pump it up, yeah. You should join the stream. Is your audio working? Okay. I'll just relay your messages. I mean, look, we're already 2 grand up. Easy money. It's flipping genius. Yeah, exactly. We had a US 500. We had a rating of 7 out of 10, and it was a short scalp, so yeah, 70% chance. Yeah. Usually it's the other way for you, isn't it? It's the 30%. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, give me entry and exit points for this chart. Yeah. Yeah, he's actually the one that recommended pound to Swiss franc, so let's give him a trade. He's doing 1.1475 and 1.5, which is here. That's first take profit, second take profit. Yeah. I don't know if he's used the software to see against Ripple. Yeah.
All right. Entry level 11456, 11465, and 114670. Oh, there we go. Position closed on our trade.
Just made 4 grand.
We've made 4 grand in how long? When did you put that trade on?
Like 10 minutes.
Simple as that. All from the software?
All from the software.
All from the software. 4 minutes, you can make 4. What? How long did you say? Sorry. 10 minutes. 4 grand.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Novice traders.
Novice traders. And there we go. Out. Have a look at this information right here. This is what you want to look at. The entry level, the exit targets, exit target 2, and the stop loss. Should we have a look at that?
Yeah. Have a look.
Should we put buy on? Why not?
Let's ask for the rating.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. We want to see the confidence level.
Yeah.
Approximately a 7. That's what we like to see.
7. No.
7's always the good ones. Should we put... I don't know how to do it, but you put a buy on. Yeah, that's about right. Make put a... Yeah. I like the music. It's very relaxing. Press that stuff. There we go. Buy. Position on. Let's see what happens.
We're in.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. I think we need like maybe not that stuff, but maybe a bit more hype than this. SXFP's doing. Oh, I had a big. That's probably from the news.
Yeah.
Because we want XRP to pump up, pump up. I actually only came here for a glass of water.
Carlo says, pump it. Yes, pump it. That's what Carlo said. Pump, baby, pump. Current price of XRP is $2.50. See what are the analysts' predictions for XRP this year? See, I mean, we were seeing like 50, 100 US dollars just 3 weeks ago. That's what analysts were predicting. But we'll see what it is now after the changes. Okay. Let's see, so for March expected $2.30 and a peak of $2.44. But let's see, 4-5 months down the line, we've got $4.11. Yeah, peak of $2.44. What is it now? 2.49.
Communication is an
That's
essential
pretty
part of my
accurate.
job.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I use Grammarly, an AI partner trusted by millions of professionals that helps me improve my writing in real time on almost any prompt I
Right,
use.
right. So that's
Now,
probably
with
adjusting for
opinion
that.
and tone suggestions, I can not
$4.
only
Oof,
evaluate but fully adjust my tone
that's a big
to
leg up.
ensure that I always come
$4.
across as intended, whether
Yeah.
it's too friendly, formal, or not confident enough. And with app
Look at this
actions,
though.
I can use some
October
of my favorite
fluctuations
apps
between
directly from Grammarly.
Get out of here. Yeah, true. Yeah. So yeah, it's mentioning the lawsuit resolution, and crypto news medium prediction of $2.45, with a potential high, $4.11. But we like potential. We do like potential. And let's see how this is doing. $700 up. Let's see how we can adjust this trade. So show me a chart of GBP, Swiss franc. What other trades are we looking at, guys? Whatever trade you're thinking of placing, if you're hesitant to place a trade, we can do an analysis of it. We've got hedge fund data, we've got dark pool data, all the live market datas, everything you'll need. So we'll do that analysis all for you. I mean, let's see, still $400 up, but let's see if we need to adjust. My take profit is, what is our take profit? 1.1465. What is the likelihood of the price reaching there? This is an hour as well. I need to adjust this 15 minutes, I believe we did. That's better. Approximately 6.5 of 5 out of 10. So how should I adjust take profit to have a rating of 7 out of 10? Still about break even. Adjust to 1.1460. Let's do it. Let's adjust accordingly. Should I adjust stop loss accordingly for a 15-minute time frame? Okay, while that's happening, let's why don't we go for another trade? XAU USD perhaps? Allspicer on the prediction market. The odds of an XRP ETF being approved in 2025 surged to 86%, while XRP increased to 14%. Okay, reaching a high of 2.57 in the immediate aftermath, according to CoinGecko. Right. I'm personally going to invest in some XRP as well. I mean, there's been a lot of talks about it for the last 2 months. I've talked to loads of people about it. A lot of people putting their capital and a large proportion of their portfolios into it. So I still don't think it's too late. I think, the odds or the probability of it actually hitting that $4 region is possible. Tesla. We're looking at Tesla. Okay, what exactly in Tesla are we looking at? Spicer. Let's have a look at Tesla, shall we? This is extended hours though. I don't think we can trade Tesla on here. Okay, I want to have a look at the US 500. Because I think we could be seeing a slight reversal here, but let's just be a bit patient. Tesla sideways right now, but on an uptrend on the 50-minute with a target of 249.5. Okay. I think I can. Target of 249.5 here. Let's see. Alright, let's have a look at this trade. Show me a chart of Tesla. What do we think of the music? Do we like New York jazz rap from the 90s? What music are we feeling today? Something a little bit more upbeat, fast paced, faster tempo. Okay, here we go. Tesla. Alright. 1 hour, let's change that. So you did mention 15 minutes. Give me entry and exit points for this chart. For that will have a 7 out of 10 or more likelihood of being a successful trade. Trade is doing alright. We're gonna reinforce this trade. See, there's quite a bit of volatility on this chart. Let's granulate it down. A bit of volatility here, but Allspicer, I believe you said 1.5, which is here. That is very plausible. Very plausible. We've been given a trade here for Tesla on the 1 hour, but that's not. First target 2.4. Let me go back to this chart. 2.4 is here. Okay. Looking at Tesla, this is one that Allspicer has recommended. He said he's going for 249.5 buy. Let's see. We're gonna go 2.4, so just like, a shorter term trade. Okay. Let's do it. Well, let's see. Let's see what the rating is first. Let's not jump. Okay, let's go for it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. As long as it keeps you awake and focused, it works. That is true. That is true. Depends. Are you falling asleep here? You shouldn't do. I mean, look at how much of the account we're putting down on this trade. Right, so enter 237, we're just approaching that. Exit at 245. Got Archie cheering Al Spicer in the back. Cheering on your trades. Okay, let's go, let's do it. No stop loss. No stop loss. We're going. Two, three, two. Let's go 2, 4, 5. There we go.
If this trade hits, I'll turn the camera around, show the office, show everybody, and it will hit. It will hit, I promise you. Let's get it. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Oh, look at that, we're in profit. No, we're not. Spoke too soon. Oh. Oh, well, these things happen in trading, you know. Sometimes it goes down and then it goes up. I know, that is very little movement. You can see how much volume we're trading with. We're going to make 30 grand. Speaks for itself, mate. What are the main things you trade? Put it in the chat. Everything that you want us to look at, everything you trade, we'll have a look at. And I will. Any questions for the software? Al, get it in there. This music, it's lovely. Oh, look at that. We're now in profit. Not very much, but we're up there. That's that Tesla trade, Al. That's that Tesla trade. We're up 1.76 thousand. I mean, it's moving, so I can't really. Here we go. You can have it back.
Right, so we've asked it, you know, should we adjust for the British pound and Swiss franc trade? It says to, if we prefer higher probability of reaching the target, to adjust, to keep, but consider going for a take profit of 1.147, which is a little bit more risk, but potentially higher returns. But we'll keep it. We'll keep it. I like a comfortable 7.5 out of 10 sort of confidence rating. But let's see here. So what should we have a look at next? US 500 potentially, maybe a reversal here. Potentially. Show me a chart of the US 500. Maybe we might trade gold. A few of the guys here like to trade gold. So we actually have signals. We've got signals every day with the GPT. Let me just show you our yeah, this is probably the best way of doing it. So look, we've got our chat here, but this is our company group chat, and you can see we've got signals. So first signal XAU USD hit the target running 30 pips. Second one hit. What else have we got? 120 pips running 150 plus. And you can see all these different signals. I'm trying to not get the reflection, but it's a little bit tricky with the lighting. What does it say there? GBP USD about to hit before the news. US 500 running 450 pips is crazy. There we go, and that was one from the GPT. Alsparcher says, "Let's go Tesla." Yes, let's go Tesla indeed. You can see here, like they're all hitting. They're all successful trades. So we had 4 out of 5 today for our GPT alerts. And we've been having these consistently. 3 out of 4s, 4 out of 5s, 5 out of 5s. You know, it's been very successful. Let's have a look. Tesla, there's some yippies for Tesla. Yes, indeed. We're up, seeing a grand. Up a grand there. Let's see. Our take profit was 245, so we're gonna let that run. We'll probably, yeah, we'll let that run throughout the day, and we'll see how that is tomorrow. Let's see. What else do we have? Carla, I am looking at getting the unlimited today. Does that come with signals? Yes, the unlimited comes with signals. I presume you've already had a demonstration of these signals, and yes, that does come with it. So, yeah, if that's something that impresses you, then by all means, you should go for it, Carlo. You know, because you won't have to follow us here. I'm personally not trading the signals, but yeah, okay. What should we have a look at next? You said, yeah, I got an email the other day. Looks promising. Do they come from the GPT? Yes, they do come from the GPT. So instead of, you know, having to look at all of them and spend the time to search through it, which the GPT is more than capable of doing, but we understand that there is a little bit of a time discrepancy. You know, we look for them for you, and we scour the entire market to find the best trades for you before the market moves. So you get that on top of, you know, having more flexibility and control over your trading. If you want to, you can do it straight from the GPT, but you also get the signals free at hand. What are we looking at next? Let's see. US 500 potentially. little bit of retracement here. I think it's, yeah, so we've got the US 500 here. Let's change this to 15. Okay. Give me entry and exit points for this chart with a likelihood of 7 out of 10 or more of being a successful trade. Do you know what? Keep asking this question. Get tired of typing it out all the time. Let me just save it in the prompts. There we go. So what this does is anything you type here and send it to the save prompt section, you'll save it, and here you can see whenever you click here you can see all your saved ones. So now we have it down here. We have it down here. We also have a general question of asking it the likelihood, but let's see. Okay. It says buy 5685. US 500 going down. Tesla pushing down a little bit as well. Not to worry though. Let's see. I actually have to go for a meeting right now, so I'll be right back. Actually, my colleague Luke will be back to take over. So you guys can watch the trades, and yeah. Thank you very much, guys.
annual holiday event where members save 25% or more on selected hotels. Expedia, made to travel.
nice to have a little time off from all the evil stuff. White noise, please. Good. Well sounds.
When you've done enough, Uber Eats.
It should cost $1 billion to look that good. It's pure.
Million Gold, the new fragrance by Raban.
detergent? Try Dylon. It renews your clothes in only 10 washes. New? No. Washed with Dylon.
In-store now. Want to sort those lines and wrinkles, but not ready for drastic measures? Try Olay Regenerist. Its micro-sculpting technology penetrates 10 surface layers deep and boosts surface skin cells. Drastic results without drastic measures. Firmer, smoother, radiant skin in just 7 days. Try Olay.
How do I get rid of this? Yep, there we go. Hello everybody. We're back live. Why is our account down? How much money have we lost? We have... What the hell is this? Oh, we've just hit a stop loss. Oh my god. We lost 15 grand. We lost 20 grand today. Fantastic. Let's see what the US 500s are doing. How is everybody? Need to log in. Okay. Right, we need to find out how the market's currently performing. I've just gotten into the office, so we're going to check, market statistics and some interesting information that we can sort of pull from the graph. We'll back up from the 5, we'll go into the 15. Download this image, go into 1 hour. And we'll go into the 4. So as you can see, US 500 is on quite a strong uptrend after the 14 days of sort of falling. Hit a low point of 5,500. We're currently sitting just under 5,700. So what we need to find is whether this momentum is going to continue. At one point today, we were at 710. Let's attach these images, and we're going to ask the GPT a question I've been asking quite a lot recently. We're going to say, these are 4 different time frames of the US 500. Analyze and provide me with percentage probabilities of bullish or bearish momentum. Fantastic. So 4-hour chart, we're looking at 60% for bullish, 1 hour down 5% to 55, and dropping. So continually dropping. Every time we go down a sort of down a chart, we lose 5% for the bullish momentum, going from 60 to 45. Okay, this is interesting. Now, as someone, or as a trader that's looking to enter the market, we can definitely think about looking for a short here. Immediate resistance levels can lead to short-term decline. Now, what I think we can look for here is for this sort of downtrend to reach this order block. We can put a long in and potentially see if we can fire upwards and catch some of the upward movement here. We're going to be doing a lot. Well, seeing as my colleagues have, lost us about half the account, we can trade with a lot more capital than usual today. I'm assuming. Oh, there was a drop down here. Let's see if there's any economic news. Give me a list of US economic news for today. 2 rate cuts in 2025. Okay, fantastic. So we need to keep analyzing. We need to look for an entry point. Whether there will be a clear one in the next couple of minutes, we will see. I think we could also take a look at gold, see if there's a potential entry here. So it looks like it's moving upwards quite significantly. We could be looking at potentially a short. At this time last week, we were sitting around 57, currently at 40. Will it reclaim that spot upwards? I'm not sure. I think we could be looking at the start of a short here. Let's go into some different time frames. Let's download this, go into a 1 hour. Then of course, I'm sure you guys get the image, the 15 and the 5 minute. These are 4 different, not images, we'll say time frames. Just allows the GPT to understand a little bit better. 4 different time frames of XAU, USD. Provide me with probabilities, percentages of bearish or bullish outcomes. So we'll see where we can go from here. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we have a 70% bullish probability. Now this is, what we're looking for here. In fact, all of the charts are slightly pointing towards bullish activity. The higher the time frame, the more it points to bullish. Let's have a look. XAU, USD. And we can potentially look at an entry point here. So if we say, give me an entry point based on this information. So it's given us an entry point of 35, $5 below the current mark. Let's say, what about now? see what kind of information we're able to find now. So it's recommended we go in with the current price. Suggested entry point is current price level. Rationale is about the moving averages indicating a strong bullish trend. We have a stop loss and a take profit listed as well. Fantastic. Let's potentially we can jump in with a trade here. So we want to buy. We're going to go a bit higher, 450. What's that? $13,000. Let's go even higher, 600. $18,000. There we go. See what our stop loss should be set to 3,025. And I'll take profit 3,065. Fantastic. Amazing. Right, let's take a look at the US 500.
Well, I'd like 5 pieces. Ah, that's for crumpets, sweetheart.
Our relationship with money is formed from a young age. That's why we have budgeting and savings tools in the Barclays app to help you take control of your money today. Barclays. Make money work.
Right, US 500, how is it performing right now? In a slight downtrend. As I said earlier, I think the best entry point would be if it was to bounce off of this order block. And then we could potentially think about taking a long. So we'll see how the US 500 performs over the next couple of minutes. I'd like to see it drop about $10 before we enter. Maybe even 5. Whether that happens, I don't know, but it would be the perfect entry, I think. At least if it touches this green bar here, I think that would be a very sensible entry. So it'd be very interesting to see what happens today. We'll wait for it to drop a couple more dollars. Let's take a look at gold. Currently dropping very slightly. What was our entry point? Our entry point was 40. Our stop loss 25. Our take profit 65. So we've got a stop loss up here. Zoom out a little bit. We need that at 65. There we go. Risk reward at 1.66. I think we can drop that stop loss or at least bring it up to about 28. Let's do that. Let's take a look at US 500. It is dropping. That's exactly what we want. I think we can think about opening up US 500. So that order block is $4 lower than the current price. But since then it has recovered. I think it will continue to push downwards until it touches that point, and then we can definitely think about entering. Go on. Just waiting for that point to hit. No, I just use the handle. So, see if it can go any lower. I really do want this sort of thesis to be correct, whether it will bounce off or not, or whether it will just wipe out this order block completely. We will see. I just don't think there'd be enough liquidity to go lower than what it's currently at. It's just $2 off. This is something we're going to have to monitor over the next couple of minutes. I think it'd be interesting to go into some crypto now. Coin market cap. We'll look at a couple of our choosing, and potentially we can think about trading them. Very interesting. Take a look at a couple others actually. If anyone's got any tickers, drop them in the chat and we can take a look at them. Does look like price is dropping ever so low. Litecoin would be a very interesting one. Internet computer is a strong one. Quant. BitTorrent is a good one. Toncoin is a strong pick. I think if you're looking in Solana, if you've ever been in Solana, I think now is a fantastic time to buy in. This is the lowest price you'll find in terms of Solana. And this is a fantastic price to buy at. One 2025 one. If you're just tuning in, we're just waiting for the price of the US 500 to hit around this 85 mark. See if it will bounce off or not. We can go in with a buy from there. I think this is the perfect place to enter as it bounces off this sort of supply, and we'll be able to go higher. Gold is doing relatively well. We did spike upwards to about $43, which is fantastic. So we're going to continue to monitor gold. I definitely think it will be bullish over the next couple of minutes. Let's have a look at some others. Tether gold sounds very interesting. Avalanche. Tether gold sounds amazing. How do we bring this back? So this holds the price of gold, I'm assuming. How long has this been around? Oh, for ages. It's fantastic. Wow, gold is I mean, if you were to buy back in 2022, that'd be an insane investment. More than doubled. It's incredible. Stella, Hedera perhaps. AVAX would be very interesting. See, are we close to dropping? We really need to hit this white line here. That's what I'm hoping for. I hope it hits that line and it rebounds off and we can enter off of that. Of course, we're going to continue to monitor. And it could take 20 minutes. I'm not, the time frame doesn't really matter here. What I want is the smoothest entry possible. Dropping quite a bit more here. Now I'm going to think about entering, and we can set up an order, can't we? Seven six. So we want it to hit 7.6 before we entered into the market. Once it does hit that mark, we'll be placed into the market. Well, do you remember the Melania meme coin? That was an interesting coin. Fart coin here. We're about to be entered into the market here. 76.9. Go on, drop by 0.4. Drop by 0.4. There we go. We're in the market. That is an order block there. Perhaps we will bounce off.
With Grammarly, every email you send can be polished and ready to go. Grammarly Pro has a lot of great features that you should try. There's this cool sidebars feature that lets me get
So this is an interesting coin. Golem. 2018 reached almost $1 here. I'll go round. It's a good one. So launched in 2019. Went down by a ridiculous percentage. Let's go into let's take a look at Solve protocol perhaps. And 'So we can set our stop loss for just under this initial order block, maybe the 32 mark. Not our stop loss, sorry, our take profit. $7.01. $7.01.632. $5.669. $632 and $7.01. This is the most abysmal looking trade I've ever done. That stop loss is way too high. Do you know what we're going to target? Is there any economic news today? Pardon. Probably shouldn't do that on stream. Let's see what we get here. Leading economic index decline fell by 0.3 in February 2025. You alright, mate? How you doing? You alright? Let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Quite honestly, it's one of the stupidest trades I think I've ever done. But it's because my colleagues somehow managed to lose half our account today. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. Short on the US 500. So we'll see how that performs. You're right, Archie. That was a horrible gesture you've just done. Do you want to show the camera what you just did? Sorry. We've got one of the most atrocious looking trades I've ever done. Look at that, I put half of our capital on that. Yeah, well, guys, if you're watching and you know this man called Archie, he's a very pleasant fellow, isn't he? My good friend. Do not trust that man. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. No, I'm joking. Wait, come here, come here. I'm joking. Come here, man. Come here. No, it's a joke. No, yeah.
In a luxury market that's really tricky, we've managed to 10 times our revenues whilst using the Google product.
See how this trade performs. Right, let's look for some others. There's this coin I've been hearing a lot about called Camino. Number 3,230. This could be an interesting pick indeed. So it reached about $24, sorry, 24 cents, 2024. This could be a good pick. Right. I like to actually use this to conduct research on crypto coins because usually it tells you whether the coins have some sort of token unlock feature, which is key because you can do as much research as you want. You're not going to find anything relating to their token unlocks or whether they even run that. If you're new to crypto, if something has a token unlock, essentially it's a scheduled event, maybe once or twice a year, where they actually unlock more tokens. And if a coin does this, essentially it dilutes the supply. If you're a holder of this coin, you do not want, you do not want a sort of one of these dilution events because it hurts your holdings. So we'll say, give me a rundown on Camino Finance. We got a plant, guys. It's the green bar plant. It's one of our mascots. We should start a nature live stream, maybe. Do you like the new mascot? Green plant. So we'll just see what kind of information the GPT is able to pull up for us. Camino Finance. Concentrated liquidity models. Expected to evolve with market demands. Strengthens the Solana ecosystem by improving trading efficiency, so tighter spreads, reduce slippage. Let's take a look at this website. This really does interest me. Camino Finance. Jito market and Jupiter market. Some altcoins here. This is interesting. That's alright, we've only lost $5,800. Oh, 6,000. Just a day's work. Let's see what this is about. So Camino, do they have their own coin? They do. Okay. One-inch network. So peaked in 2021. Looks like absolutely no movement whatsoever here in 2024. I do want to take a look at how Ethereum is actually performing. I think that'd be very interesting. Wow. Ethereum. Give me a list of similar crypto projects. Wasn't even typing. Give me a list of similar crypto projects. Fantastic. Let's see what we can get from here. Ah, how's everybody's days? Hopefully going well. See what the Clash of Clans is saying. Just looking for a list of other cryptocurrencies. Ooh, see if price breaks below. I think it will. I think it will continue to go down. I really don't think we need that high of a stop loss in reality. 85 I think would be more than sufficient. 6, 8, 5. Now this is exactly what I needed. Similar crypto projects. Margin Fi. Okay, this is a good list. Okay, I can work with this. Margin Fi. Radium is a good one. This is a great list. Radium. Oof. When did this happen? It's just fallen off a cliff. This is now. This is happening right now. How do we focus on this? So it looks like it's just dropping. I mean, this would be a fantastic time to enter, perhaps. But, you know, not right now, of course. We would have to wait for the drop to finish. Compound, an Ethereum-based lending platform with autonomous money markets. Users can earn interest on deposits and borrow assets using collateral. So that sounds promising. Notional, an Ethereum-based one. IPO.
So what have your kids got planned for Mother's Day? If it's anything like last year, I'll have a scrummy breakfast in bed.
Shut the hell up. What is it with these adverts? God. Let's take a look at IPOR. Wow, radium is dropping right now this second, very significantly. So number 5,572 right here. This saw a lot of momentum during 2023, reached about $6, currently sitting about 80 or 8 cents essentially. US 500 continuing to drop. Let's take a look at Solana. I just received a notification regarding Solana saying it's dropping. Looks like a lot of crypto's dropping right now. Bitcoin's been dropping for the past hour, really. So we'll see. Wow, so we actually reached 560. Now we probably will wrap up the stream in a minute. I've got a client I need to call in about 8 minutes or so. So we'll continue to watch the chart and probably wrap the stream up within the next 8 minutes or so. Right, guys, we're probably going to wrap up now. Thank you for joining. I know it's quite a long stream, but yeah, do appreciate it, and hopefully see you